Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off the microphone on your iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to disable the microphone on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings, scroll down, and then click on privacy and security. Under privacy and security, you want to scroll down the page and then click on microphone. Now you should see all the applications that have access to your microphone. What you want to do is you want to turn off microphone for individual application under microphone. And then that's one. Again, go back to your main settings, scroll down and click on Siri. Now you want to go ahead and click on talk to Siri. Then again, go ahead and disable talk to Siri by selecting this to turn this off. Then lastly, you want to go back to your main settings, scroll down, click on general. Scroll down general, locate and click on keyboard. Now under keyboard, you want to scroll down until you get to dictation. If enable dictation is turned on, go ahead and then disable dictation. And then you are good. So this is going to help you to turn off your iPhone microphone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.